Alright, today we're going to go over adding integers with the same sign. So, you've been doing this ever since you started adding. So, if you just started with something basic, 3 plus 2. If we're on a number line here, start at 0, we go to 3, and then we go 2 more to get us to 5. So again, this is something you've been doing for ever since you started adding. We're just adding a little bit more to it this time. So let's change this to a negative 3 plus a negative 2. So let's update my number line here and see how that's going to go. So we'll put 0 at the other end this time. So we got 0 right here. So then we're going to have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So we start at 0 still, and we go negative 3, so we jump to negative 3, and then we're going to add 2 more negatives, so we end up at negative 5. So adding integers with the same sign, you're just going to add them up and then keep whatever sign they originally had. So if the numbers were both originally positive, they're going to stay positive, and they're both originally negative, the answer is going to stay negative. Let me show you one more example. Alright, so now we're going to do colored counters, and for this, a white counter is going to be positive and a red counter is going to be negative. So looking at this, we have 4 white counters to start with, so that's going to be 4 positive, and then we added 3 more white counters there, so that's going to be another positive. So 4 plus 3, we have a total of 7 counters. So now let's look at this if they were red counters instead of white. Alright, now so we have negative 4 to start with, because we have 4 red counters, and then 3 more red counters. We're going to add those up, so negative 4 plus negative 3 is going to give us negative 7. So you can either represent these on a number line or with colored counters.